Hey y'all, it's Jen. So, since yesterday, I've been digging through just this one box of craft stuff out of storage. These are all different things that I've printed, things that I've cut out, things that haven't been used. And I'm just digging through boxes and matching things up and making things. So I thought I would share a little bit of that. Okay, so I pulled some things out of the box. So these were already cut, and I have no idea where I got these, but I can tell that they are a printable digital, excuse me. Okay, as I was saying, I know that this is from a printable kit or a printable freebie from a designer, but I don't know which designer. I found some of these papers, which I liked the bright colors. So I thought I found some construction. This isn't construction paper. This is actually cardstock. This is too bright. And this would be okay, but I only have one sheet and it's not enough to back what I want to do here. And then I found these 3 or 4 pieces of pink cardstock, so I'm going to use them. And I don't know where this came from either. I know these 2 sheets are for sure from Artie Mae's kits. I don't know where this is from. This is from her Purple Medley kit. This, I think, is from one of the herb kits. Not sure where this is from. It might be the Purple Medley kit. Don't know if I'm going to use them or not, because I kind of just like, I want to frame these with some of this, and I want to make sure that each one of the ladies get some pink around them. This one has quite a bit of green. Why is filming one video going to be such a struggle today? Excuse me again. Okay, so to save a little bit of time on this video, I'm going to go ahead and cut some of these pieces, and then I'll be back to layer them up and show you what my idea was. Okay, so I cut some pieces of the map. I'm going to glue these to the front so that I have a frame around each one. And then I'm going to glue this to the back so that there's writing space on the back. And I also have the offcuts from the sheets. So I'm going to take these and also glue them to the back. We'll probably cut them down just a little bit more, but I'll glue a piece to the back to make a pocket in the back of these tags. And then I will find something along my travels here in this box to fill the back with. Might maybe do some kind of stamping, we'll see. But this is my process. And so these are just simple little layered cards, but it's gonna use up 1, 2, 3, 3.5 sheets of paper, plus the ephemera that I put in the back, so possibly up to 5 sheets of paper and ephemera that I already had printed. and just had been thrown into a box. Earlier, I had found a stack of things. Some were already cut out, some were not. They're small pieces of ephemera. There's a butterfly, little floral card here. And I took some index cards and collaged on them with different pieces of paper and ephemera that I had in that box. And I made these cards, and I can't even tell you how many sheets of paper I used up. So I made this little set of journaling cards. So there's 1 page, 2 pages, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different pages of stuff that I had stored that I was able to use pieces out of to make these cards. And so I'll just keep going for now, because I can't seem to concentrate on a full journal, but I can sit down and make these few little things at a time in between all the other stuff that I have going on. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and most of you ladies that are being overrun in your craft rooms with all your stuff and trying to figure out what to do with it, maybe just dig through a box, put a couple of things together, 4 or 5 sheets, 2 sheets, and just sit down and make a few little things. And you know, I sell things, so I will probably sell this as a set. When I get done with these pieces, I'll probably sell these as a set. Or if I get inspired enough or find enough things that match, I'll hold on to these things and save them up and then put them into a journal later on. Okay. Y'all try to have a good day. Thanks for watching.